ሰላም ሰላም ያራኪስ ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬም እንግዲህ በአበደ ቪዲዮ ተመልሼላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። ከሁለት ወራት በኋላ ማለት ነው። በጣም ጠፍቼ ነበር እዚህ ቻናል ላይ አይ ነው። ብቻ ሰሞኑን አዳዲስ ቪዲዮዎች ወጥተዋል። ተከታታይ ከዚህ በኋላ ጠፋለሁ ብዬ አላስብም። ተከታታይ ቪዲዮዎችን እንለቃለሁ፣ ሪአክት እናደርጋለን። አዳዲስ የወጡ ማየት ያለብኝ ነገሮች ካሉ እናንተ ኮሜንት ላይ ሪከመንድ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳረሱ እና ደግሞ የቪዲዮ ብዙ ሰው ጋር እንዲደርስ ላይክ ግዴታ ነው። አሁን ጠፍቼ ስለመጣሁ በቃ ያያችሁ አሁን ቪዲዮ ከመጀመራችሁ በፊት ሁላችሁም ላይክ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳረሱ። ወደ ቪዲዮ
I'm in Eritrea, which is sometimes called
ዛሬ ይዤላችሁ መጣሁት ለየት ያለ ሙዚቃ አይደለም፣ ለየት ያለ ቪዲዮ ነገር ነው። ምክንያቱም እስቲ ቱሪስቶች ኤርትራ እዛ ሄደው ምን አሉ የሚለውን ነገር ሪያሊቲውን ማወቅ ስለሚያስፈልግ እሱ ነው አብረን እንድናይ የፈለኩት። አብረን ነው
the North Korea of Africa, but honestly, that's such bullshit. It's such a chill place, honestly. I'm absolutely enjoying it. It's one of the most hospitable countries I've ever been to here in Africa.
የኔ ጥያቄ ሁሌም ነው ለምንድን ነው ኖርዝ ኮሪያ ኦፍ አፍሪካ የምትባለው? በምን ሪዝኑ አልገባኝም። ለምን እንደዛ የምትባለው ማለት ምን አገናኛቸው ጭራሽ?
Honestly, amazing.
Jag har precis anlänt i Eritrea och här framför oss har vi Asmara. Från våra rooftop-hotellet har vi alltså en panoramavy över hela staden. Och här finns det så mycket spännande grejer att utforska. Där har vi en kyrka, men även en annan kyrka där borta. Går vi till andra sidan av hotellet, där har vi Blueberry, vilket är ett internetcafé om man vill ha internet här i Eritrea. Då internet här är väldigt limiterat. Bredvid så har vi Fiat Palmero, vilket är en gammal bensinstation med väldigt speciell stil. Här borta...
ይሄ ነገር ጋር ስቴሽኑ እንደለካ እኔ አሁን መስሪያ ቤት ነገር የመንግስት መስሪያ ቤት ምናምን ይመስለኝ ነበርኩ።
Borta har vi centrum och jag är verkligen så taggad på att utforska, så följ för att inte missa min första dag här i Eritrea.
Literally, I arrived at the airport. There was this lady who was from Germany. She was like, well, I already paid your taxi, go in. And I was like, holy shit, you know, I wanted to pay her back. She wouldn't accept it. I'm now here in the center. Everyone is talking to me, but in like a super friendly way. Everyone's like, where are you from? What brought you to Eritrea? Because it's not a very popular like tourist destination. But I'm so excited to be here. And the most important thing is injera. I'm absolutely loving it. It's literally the best food in the world, the most underrated cuisine in the world, Ethiopian Eritrean cuisine. I always have it whenever I'm in like Dubai or any big city with Eritrean or Ethiopian restaurants. And now I'm planning to literally turn into an injera myself here in Eritrea. I won't eat anything else, that's for sure.
Insane rules that Eritrea has that you cannot believe. One, if you want to get out of the country, it's almost near impossible. Like, you have to be connected to the government or like some powerful person to get out of the country. Two, military service is required by everyone. Everyone's got to serve for the military, and it's usually a really long time, and you don't know when you're going to get out. Three, you cannot just get up one day and travel to another city in the country. Like, you gotta get the government's permission to travel from a city to a city.
በእነዚህ ህጎች ነው ሰሜን ኮሪያ የምትባለው የሰሜን ኮሪያ የአፍሪካ ሰሜን ኮሪያ ተብላ የምትጠራው ለዛ ነው በእነዚህ ህጎች ምናምን።
In Eritrea. 4, there's no independent press. Like, the government controls every single press in the country. There's no independent press at all. It's like North Korea in Africa. It's so extreme.
ለዚህ ብቻ ነው
That is insane to believe. A country has such a strict laws like that. And I live in a free country, so I cannot imagine living in a situation like that.
First impressions of Asmara. It's very clean, it's very nice.
Hello. Ni hao.
ይሄ ሰውዬ ጉበዝ ነው። በጣም ብዙ ቦታ ትራቭል ያደርጋልና በቃ የሆነ ሪስፔክቱ ደስ ይላል ያለው ነገር።
What are you guys doing here?
We found a restaurant.
Are you tourists?
Yeah.
Or working?
Working here.
Oh, nice. How is it? Are you enjoying it?
It's good.
It's good?
Good environment.
Whereabouts in China are you from?
You know, I don't know.
Awesome. Shanghai, I've been to Shanghai.
Leonie.
Okay, awesome. The only Chinese I know is Nishurama.
Where are you from?
England. Yeah. Okay, amazing. Nice to meet you guys. Have a good day.
So this is the most famous landmark in Asmara. It's the Fiat petrol station. I know what you're thinking. That's a famous landmark.
የምር ፔትሮል ጋዝ ስቴሽን አልመሰለኝም። የሆነ ትልቅ መስሪያ ቤት ነበር መሰለኝ።
It's an example of the Art Deco design, which is very famous, showing the Italian colonization. There's lots of the Fiat cars, the vintage cars, and the vintage coffee shops. It's like a city that's frozen in time. Do you know where they rent bicycles? Oh, Okay, thank you so much. So we're getting a bike. This will do. This is Eritrea's most famous cyclist. I had no idea that they were so good at cycling here.
Yeah. It's very good. You're cycling? You also professional?
Oh wow. Is that it? She was sort of before, or we took that one together.
Are you in this one?
Yes, yeah.
This is you?
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know. For Eritrea? Oh, for Ethiopia. Ah, okay, nice. How much is it? 200 nakba for one day.
Give it ride the bike.
Alright, let's give it a go. Ready?
Oh, there we go. Smooth as you like. Probably out of there. We're on the main road now.
Salam! I'm good, nice to meet you. You just finished school?
Yes.
You finished out? What job do you want to do when you're older? Yeah. Professor.
I will be a president.
President.
I will guide and control for our country.
Oh, nice. She wants to be the dictator. You want to do what? Okay. Pilot. Oh, these are incredible jobs. Engineer. This is amazing. All such incredible jobs. If someone asked me what job I wanted to do when I was younger, I probably would have said like, I'm going to be unemployed. Nothing's good. No. Football, comedy, nature. Yeah, we like to fight sometimes. Yeah, we drink and then we fight.
Oh my god.
Yeah, sometimes.
What do you know about Eritrea?
I know that you're the safest country in Africa.
Safe,
Yeah, very good at cycling. You like to cycle?
cycling.
Yeah?
Did you know
Yeah. I know him. He's my friend. Yeah. No, I'm joking.
ለምንድን ነው የደነገጡት?
Okay.
Safe,
Yeah, very good at cycling. You like to cycle?
cycling.
Yeah?
Did you know
Yeah. I know him. He's my friend. Yeah. No, I'm joking. Oh, wow. Oh.
So this, guys, is our hotel in Asmara. $60 a night. This is the Crystal Palace Hotel. And yeah, it's pretty good. No aircon, but it's nice and clean. And we do actually have Wi-Fi in this hotel. This is one of the only places in the country where you can get Wi-Fi. There's Wi-Fi cafes, and then this, but no data,
ኢንተርኔት አክሰስ በጣም ሊሚትድ ነው። እንደዛ ነው እያሉ ያሉት።
no SIM card or anything like that. So that's fine. And we have views of Asmara. Listen to that. If you're in any other big city in Africa or any other city in the world, it would be super loud outside, but peace and quiet. I love it. It's like, I feel like I'm back to the 80s where life was peaceful, everything was retro, the buildings are nice and beautiful. And we have a B-Day. Well, you know who bought that? Say what you want about the Italians, but they brought the B-Day. And I'm happy about that, because there's no bum gun. So, let's head out and explore Asmara for the first time. In the world, not just Africa, what cities in the world can you walk around at night with a big old pizza and a big old camera and look like nothing's going to happen? I feel blessed. This is East Africa, guys. This is Eritrea. It's fine. It's super safe. And then the next shot is going to be me with no money and no wallet. Bloody hell, God bless elevators. I'm going to appreciate elevators. We're back. We're going to be quiet. Alright, guys. I'm going to go to sleep now. Good night. So guys, that was Eritrea, one of the most closed off countries in the world, yet one of the kindest, a very clean African city. Despite the limits placed on them, they carry on with strength and dignity. Asmara is quiet and controlled, but it's also beautiful and it's frozen in time. It's a very unique place to go. It's got the amazing Italian and African culture mixed together. 100% without a doubt, I will go back, because behind the headlines and the politics, there are real people there, and there are more places to discover in Eritrea. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next.
ጋይስ የዛሬ ቪዲዮአችን ይሄን ይመስል ነበር። አሪፍ ነገር አይተናል በያስባለሁ። በርግጥ የዚህ ሰው ቪዲዮ አይቼዋለሁ። ያው የተቆራረጠው ከተለያዩ ዩቲዩበሮች ወይም ደግሞ ትራቭል ብሎገሮች ከነሱ የተቀዳዱ ቪዲዮዎች ናቸው። ብቻ አሪፍ ናቸው። አይ ቲንክ የሚነገረውና የሚታየው የተለያየ ነገር ይመስለኛል እንደኔ ማለት ነው። ያው በፊትም እንደምታውቁት ብቻ በቀጣዩ ቪዲዮ እስከማገኛችሁ ድረስ ሁላችሁንም ወዳችኋለሁ። ባይ